So this usually isn't how I intro my vlogs, but Jordan and I bought a one-way ticket to Florida and now we're on our way to Disney. So here we go. And we just went on test track, and I didn't know that there were roller coasters at Epcot because I've never been to Epcot in my entire life. How was test track, Jordan?
My head hurts.
Your head hurts?
A little bit.
Why?
Because we went so fast.
Oh my god, I was holding my earrings the whole time. I was like, ah! I was like, I didn't know this goes outside. So Jordan brings us on. He makes us go on the single line. But luckily he was in the same car as me. Oh my god, is that Coco? Jordan, it's Coco! No? Oh, that's Coco.
No, not everything Sugar Skull is Coco.
I know, but we're in this, like the temple or whatever, so.
This movie made me cry.
Yeah, Jordan was started crying
As soon as the grandmother died, I started crying.
Taking it all in. We've been here for like only a few hours because we drove up from South Florida. I did open the door, and yeah, so we were just like exploring. We went on all the rides. We went on Soarin'. That was fun. Soarin' was fun, and test track. And
usually people lose their shoes on Soarin', so I'm glad I didn't get hit in the head with a shoe.
But now we're walking around in the countries because we haven't done this yet. We just went straight to the rides, obviously.
Well, you've never done this.
I've never done this before. But Jordan's a vet. He used to march in the parades because he's a little drumline captain.
Yes, fun fact, I used to go in the underground tunnels and the backstage tunnels and march in all the parades down Magic Kingdom.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
I don't think she realized that it goes all the way back here. My mom waited outside. She was like, I don't want to go in that. That looks boring. I'm like, Mom, this is sick. This is sick. Hold my hand. Yay. And let the cheesy montage begin. Okay, 8:18. The park closes at 9. We still have probably 9 more countries to go.
Can we do it?
Let's go. Africa, Germany, Italy, America, Japan, Morocco, France, England.
We did actually.
We made all the countries.
You might not be standing in front of every country going England or baguette or
baguette. but we have like a 3-day hopper pass to all the, you know, the Magic Kingdom stuff. So tomorrow during the day, maybe we'll go back to Epcot and see it during the day. But in the meantime, we have this gem. So today we called it like...
Me or the ice cream?
You and the ice cream. We're gonna eat. We're at Disney World!
We're never here early enough.
Oh my god! His obligatory picture with his friend Matt that he keeps in his pocket. This clip seems really strange, but that is Jordan in a nutshell, and so is this next clip. I have never seen somebody take a game and a ride so seriously. Jordan's score is insane. Insane.
129.
Jordan
is 29,000.
What is wrong with you? We're getting to the part of the afternoon where I'm sweaty, I need ice cream, and Jordan's begging me to run around and find Haunted Mansion, and all I want is cold water.
With free cold water. Haunted Mansion's right there. Behind us.
So hot.
Smile. Oh, you're good. There's chocolate on your tooth before.
Jordan and I left Magic Kingdom because we were hungry and we wanted to like take a dip in the pool before we went to Hollywood Studios.
And we got into a fight because
and we got into a fight because Jordan wouldn't let me sneak on the Fast Pass line to get on the train next to Splash Mountain because Splash Mountain had technical difficulties, so we're all annoyed because he doesn't break the rules and I do.
So whatever.
So we're back at the hotel, and I used to stay at this hotel all the time when I was little for dance competition. I don't know if I mentioned that in this vlog or not, but we are at this place where it's in the hotel where I used to come all the time, and I used to eat this, and they have like the craziest salsa bar ever, and Jordan and I obviously are starving, so we only ate breakfast today.
Oh my god.
And what?
This came out so fast.
Oh god. We're trying like every single salsa, so hi salsa mukbang. But we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios. We're just kind of sweaty and want to like clean off in the pool a little bit. Not clean off in the pool, but you know what I mean, like kind of
Calm down and relax.
So here we go.
What's up? We're at Hollywood Studios, one of my favorite parks here in Orlando, Florida, aka the realm of Disney World.
I made Jordan talk because I'm really tired. We were by the pool, as you know. I'm literally falling asleep, but I dressed in kinds of Hollywood glam, except I'm stupid because I'm really tired, and I left my like pointy cat, you know, cat sunglasses with gems at the hotel, and I have these pink ones on. I mean, they're still pretty glamorous, but that's my only complaint for right now, other than the fact that I'm extremely tired. But I'm pushing through because Jordan wants to go to Star Wars, and we have like a fast pass or whatever because they have an app now, and Jordan just got it down pat, and I don't, because I'm lazy when it comes to that. I'm a pretty wing it kind of gal.
I'm kind of upset because I'm not sure, but I think they got rid of the movie ride where like you go in like a big fancy car and they take you throughout all the movies of like the time. It's really fun and exciting. And it's like,
I've never been here, so I don't know. But we're going to Star Wars right now, and I'm so tired. Hopefully Star Wars wakes me up and I become one with the galaxy. Is that how it works? I don't know. I've never seen a Star Wars movie also in my whole life. The ride Jordan took me on, I hated it. I hated it. But for my defense, I hate anything 3D or like VR because like it makes me kind of get vertigo, and I'm usually so good with rides like roller coasters, like girl front row all day every day, but I don't know, the tight like VR type things that are 3D glasses and you have to, I'm good past, but Jordan had fun. That's his favorite ride, so that's all that matters. And now we're in Toy Story Land. It seems like they changed everything, and Jordan seems slightly disappointed because they took away his favorite ride, which was like the movie thing that he was talking about before. Andy's coming.
Where is he? I don't see him. You lying to me? Got some bad intel.
God dang it.
So, supposedly in Toy Story Land or Toy Story in general, when the characters walk around and you say Andy's coming, they're supposed to like stand still or like fall or like go to the floor or something. Like, you know, that's how it happens in the movie.
So obviously I decided to test that theory, and as you just saw,
He just stopped.
he looked at me, and then when I shut the camera off, because I was like, oh my god, this is so embarrassing, a little boy ran up to him and was like, Auntie's coming, and then the soldier goes, no,
She said it.
she's a liar, pointing to me. So embarrassing. Tower of Terror front row, how was it?
I've been on Tower of Terror like at least like 15 times by now because of all my marching band experiences in the past. I've never sat front row. My eyes were closed the whole entire time.
Jordan's arm was like this on the bar. I was holding, me and this girl sitting next to me, we were just holding hands because like we didn't know what to do with ourselves. We were just holding hands and screaming at top of lungs.
I could do a roller coaster. I can do a lot of things, but free falling, no.
Oh, that was the most fun ever. Now we're gonna see the fireworks show.
I'm trying to get a churro.
Trying to get a churro in the fireworks show. That's churro?
That's a bar.
That's a bar?
It's a bar. Sunshine Day Bar.
Okay.
Everyone's getting drinks. Anybody want a drink? Let's go to the bar later, pretend we're just two strangers.
Let's go to the bar later, pretend we're two strangers, and I'll take you home.
That stumpy leg.
I like how excited the little kids get.
Yeah.
Oh, New York, represent.
Yeah.
Selden, New York. Good old Long Island. Staten Island. The forgotten one.
Well, but I think the Staten Island Expressway and so.
How unfortunate the expressway's so bad.
Well, I think Verrazanos go across the Gothels or shoot down to the outer bridge.
Yeah.
We're going to Animal Kingdom, and I wore all of Jordan's clothes because it's very safari. And I have my safety goggles on that don't block the sun. I'm gonna stop using this voice now because it's just embarrassing. We had breakfast buffet this morning. Your girl is full and she's ready to pet a giraffe.
Where do you want to go first?
I don't know, I've never been here.
We could, if you want to just get Expedition Everest over with.
Show you.
We don't know where we're gonna go first.
Jordan, that is the worst angle you could hold a camera at.
I can't. Pandora and Avatar is like so hard to get on. It's like a 190-minute wait. Don't know if it's worth it. We're gonna see if they have single rides.
I don't sit next to her, I don't care.
At this point, how we doing so far?
I'm dying. It's so hot. But I'm in the jungle.
It sounds like you're in the jungle.
I feel like I'm in a mirage. I forgot to put on sunblock because Jordan told me it was only going to be 80 degrees today.
I didn't say.
So I was like, okay, I'll wear a flannel. Okay, so we left Animal Kingdom literally after 3 hours of waiting on Avatar. Jordan timed it. It was literally 2 hours and 45 minutes from start to finish of the ride. And that was a nightmare. We were sweating. We were a little bit cranky. We were pretty hungry. So we rushed back to the hotel because we had to check out at 2 p.m. and we got there at 3 p.m. But we figured it out. And then we headed to Epcot. So here's some fun stuff from Epcot. I switched outfits again, we hopped on the monorail, and we went to Magic Kingdom to enjoy the last hurrah. Yeah, we still have to drive back home 2 hours. Well, back to my mom's in South Florida. Dude, we are beat. We thought about, because we don't have the hotel for tonight, obviously. This is our last day. We were thinking about literally like popping a squat in one of the conference rooms and just going to bed because tired. We'll figure it out. So that was just our magical journey. So I really hope you guys like this vlog or this style vlog and are looking forward to more Florida vlogs because Jordan and I will be here for a while, I guess. If you like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!